Hello everyone. In last video we saw how to link two activities together. So this is how, when I click on next, I'll be able to go to second activity, and from second activity I have to have a previous button which takes me back to my first activity. This thing is done with the help of intent, and the intent here used is nothing but an explicit intent. We have two types of intents in Android, explicit and implicit. Explicit is the one when you create the first activity and the next activity where you want to start or want to launch is also created by you. So now implicit we'll see in some other video. In today's video we'll see how to send data from one activity to another. So for that, as you have created here intent, you can pass the data here with the help of i.putExtra. PutExtra allows you to send extended data along with your intent. So here we need to pass in two parameters. One, key value pair, that is the name of the variable which will store the data, and the second parameter is the value or the data that you want to send. So suppose I want to have my data as data. The variable is data, and what do I need to send? So the value here is hello. So it is equivalent to creating a string variable data with the value hello. So this value will be sent along with your intent to your second activity. So this is my second activity, wherein, as I have earlier explained, we have a button and a text view. Along with this, on the text view I want to display the message that is being sent from here, which is hello. So how to receive the data on this second intent? So that can be done here with the help of getting that values from the first intent. So for that you need to have bundle. So I'll declare a object of bundle type. So bundle, let's say BD, and this bundle will get the data from the intent which has called this activity. So get intent dot get extras means it will get the extra data that is being put by the intent through which we came here. So this get extras will be, with this put extras you will be able to get those extras from this get intent. So get intent means from this intent we have come here, so it will get that intent and get all the extras put over there. Now how to fetch the data? So for that you need to create a variable of the type of your data. So let's say my data is string hello. So I'll create a string variable which is, say, data 1, and in this I will write bd dot get string, because I am going to get string from this bd. Bd means the intent, and all the put extras are being fetched here. So now the key with which you are going to have it, so that is data. So it indicates the value that is being stored in data variable. You are going to fetch that data variable and store its value in data 1. Now where you need to display this value, that's your choice. So I may want to display it in text view t1, so I'm going to write it as t1 equals to, or t1 dot set text with data 1. So now let's try to see what is the consequence of this. I have not written all this on button click, because this thing should not happen when I click the button previous. This thing should happen the moment I come to this activity without waiting for this button to be clicked. So now let's see when I go for next. by clicking the first button, whatever I have put on that extra, which was hello, has been fetched through get extra here on the second activity. So I have not written anywhere the word hello, but the word hello has been stored in data variable, which has been fetched from here into data1 variable. Right? So this is how you can pass the data from one page to, or one activity to another activity. Now what you need to do is, you're supposed to create a login page wherein we'll take the name of username and password and say login, and you're going to write some code which checks for a particular username and password, and if your username and password matches with the one entered by user, you have to display one more page saying welcome and that username, and if your username does not match, you should go to the third page which says unsuccessful login. So this is what needs to be done with the help of explicit intent. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching this video.